Hey, what's up YouTube? Houston here. For those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my favorite patrons, always double salute. Now, today's video, we're actually going to be talking about how to make money with business credit cards. Now, I've showed you how to get business credit cards, but let's look at how to actually make money with business credit cards. Now, here's the thing about it. One of the things that I always tell people, if you got a business credit card, and depends on the business credit card, not because the business credit card, if you max it out, it should not affect your personal credit or your business credit, right? So long as you're making a payment. So this is what I would do, especially say that if I was put in a position where I got at least $25,000, $30,000 on a business credit card with 0%, and we're going to talk about those type of cards as well. But one of the things about it, I would probably look at, if I'm trying to get into e-commerce or whatever, I would probably look at buying like pallets from Amazon or eBay. And here's some of the places that you actually can go to. I know when I first started, I started with liquidation.com. I ended up buying out a whole store, in which I did come up. So it's very good places out there that have not only just like Amazon returns, but like Macy's returns, brand new products that Macy's didn't sell, brand new products that Nordstrom didn't sell. So you have these here websites or stores that had went out of business, and they put all their stuff back on the website for the sale, so you can buy in bulk. And I'm talking brand new stuff. So a lot of stuff you can actually buy brand new instead of used to kick off your e-commerce store. Now, one of the things I always tell you guys, if you're going to get into a business, then I always encourage you to set up your business first. The reason is, that's the reason you set up your business, then get the business credit card. If you don't know how to properly choose the right structure for your business or set up your business, click the link and schedule one-on-one consultation. But that's important because all the money that you're making back, then you want it to be paid to your business bank account. Or if you're going to be selling on eBay or like through Amazon, having those payments going to a PayPal account and then transferring the money over to your business bank account. So that way you'll be able to raise more capital without using your personal credit as well. So that's the reason that I tell you all to set up your business the proper way. Now again, when you're buying like liquidation products like Amazon pallets and stuff like that, you can go to liquidation.com, you got bstock.com, you got directliquidation.com, liquidations.walmart.com, you got salesandauction.com, you got Rogue Liquidation, as well as Bluke liquidations as well. All right, now here's another one. Buying cars to rent out. Like a lot of people are trying to just, oh, I want to get on Toro, but please understand, there's other platforms. Now with Toro, here's the thing about it. I made a video, so if you want to see that Toro video, as a matter of fact, I'll put it in the description because that's important. I need you to understand how to operate your business when you're putting it on these platforms. So I'm going to make a note. See Toro video in the description, so that way you can actually see how to properly set the business up, how Toro is broke down. Because here's the thing about it, like some of these platforms, they'll let you put them on it, but they charge you these fees, plus they charge you for commercial insurance and stuff like that. Well, the thing about it is, it may be cheaper for you to get your own commercial insurance, but again, I have a video that breaks that down, so I'm gonna put it in the description so you can actually see that video. But that being said, here's the thing about it. You got Get Around, Toro, Hire Car, Social Car, Fleet. So you have all of these things. You have all of these things that are showing up, all these opportunities, I should say, to where when you buy a car, like say if you're buying a car at a auction, like I say, get a $25,000-$30,000 business credit card, and you go to have somebody set up to go to the auction. Or when you get the business credit card, if you're doing an auction online, you can sign up with Plastic, PLASTIQ.com, and then you can have a check sent over from your credit card. That way it's an actual purchase, and so you don't have to do a cash advance in order to have a higher interest rate, and you still keep that 0%. Also, when you have a business credit card with 0%, so you can request that they send you out checks so you can transfer the money over from your business credit card as well, okay? But if you're trying to get into Toro or any type of car rental business, these are the platforms you want to start with, okay? Now, there's other ways that you can actually make money with your car. And I think this is very important because some of your cars, I know people are buying 3 and 4 cars and they're sitting on Toro, but they're only making money with maybe about 2 of those cars. So the other 2 cars are eating up your profits from the money you're making on those ride sharing or those ride platforms like Toro, right? So 2 of the cars ain't making money. What else can I do with those cars? Well, you can advertise on those cars. There's a company called Rapify. You can use the car for that. You can pick up scooters. You can help move like people from apartment to apartment, because a lot of people moving these days. So some people can't afford a U-Haul, or they just need locally moved, or pick up something from from like Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. But here's the thing about it. There's a platform called Dolly, okay? So you can sign up with Dolly, and what they do, they give you different jobs and stuff, and you can go, and then at the end of the week, they pay the money out to your PayPal. Again, this is the reason why I tell you, you want to set up your business properly and your business bank account properly, then open up a PayPal business account. So when companies like this are paying the money out to your PayPal business account, now you can get loans from PayPal without your personal credit, then transferring the money over to your business account. Then you're able to use those documents to raise money from companies like Rapid Finance or Mackenzie Capital, right? Capital on Tap, so things like that, to where you're actually raising more funding to do other investments, okay? Also, you can use those cars to rent out to people to deliver food, like Postmates, UberEats, DoorDash. You can use them for carpooling and stuff. Or going back to putting them on those different platforms like HireCar or whatever. And then you can work as a shopper, Instacart shopper or whatever. So there's ways, so with people that can't afford a car but they need to make money, getting them to split the profits with you if you let them use your car to work for like Uber, Lyft, or something like that. So those are some options for you as well. Now, here's one that I'm definitely going to tell you guys about: buying heavy equipment with your business credit card. Again, like not just only heavy equipment, but here's the thing about it. Like there's a lot of construction that goes on, and a lot of people they don't have the tools, right? And so what if you had a $25,000-$30,000 business credit card? Then you're able to negotiate to purchase that tool, and you rent that tool out whether it's going to be by the daily or a month. You're able to buy a few trailers and rent those out. So being able to buy tools that people can actually borrow, like I said, people may decide, hey, I'm gonna start a food truck or something like that, but I don't have the money to buy the tools and stuff. Then you use your business credit card to buy those tools and stuff for them, and you rent them the tools and everything like that. So it puts you in a better position, so that way you're constantly making money with your business credit cards. The money just isn't sitting there, okay? And so the place you want to go to, construction equipment for heavy equipment, trailers and stuff like that. You got Construction Equipment Guide, you got Equipment Trader, eBay, Iron Planet, Craigslist. So you have various places for you to actually buy tools. Now, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. And this is very important because most people are not even aware. They want to be able to use their credit cards and make money with their credit cards and stuff. One of the best places that you probably get a better return, at least 10% return, is on peer-to-peer lending platforms like Upstart. They're best for small loans and stuff. Best for debt consolidation is Prosper. Best for co-borrowing is Lending Club. Best for fair credit is Peerform. So you can actually be able to use your business credit cards to loan them money, okay? Loan your money out from those business credit cards. And again, because it's a business credit card and you loan it out, then it's not going to affect your personal credit, okay? Just as long as you continue making those payments. Now, here's something interesting. Like if you want to get into real estate, now places that you want to use your business credit card, even if you just have $25,000, $30,000 business credit card, you're like, well, what kind of real estate can you got? Places like CityFeet where you can buy land, you can buy trailers, stuff like that. You got Bid for Assets where you can buy land from the government. You can buy houses from the government, tax liens from the government. You have Rally. Rally is a place where you can, not the burger place, but Rally is another place, is a platform where you can buy different types of fractional instruments. Not only just real estate, but you can buy fractional shares inside of like cars like Ferrari. They sell shares in Ferraris and stuff like that. You got Democrat, excuse me for the mispronunciation, but they also, like you can buy fractional shares. Then you got fine art that you can actually buy fractional shares in. So this is the thing about it. There's plenty of ways for you to actually use those business credit cards to make money. Okay, and again, where it's not daunting on your personal credit if you max out the card. So this is basically some of the best ways that you can get the leverage you need in order to not only be making money, but because you're using a business credit cards, guess what? A lot of financial institutions will give you even more money because they're actually seeing that you're using the money and paying it back. So then you will switch over from the business credit cards and move over to the business lines of credit as well. Okay, so for those of you that just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe. If you have any questions about building business credit, personal credit, hey, if you're getting any value out of my videos, put a comment below, give me a like. I'm trying to get my channel up and everything so more people can see the content and everything. But if you have questions about business credit, personal credit, click the link below and schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.